All right. Hello, everyone. I hope you were all able to enjoy the day off yesterday. I know the weather was a bit crummy, but hopefully you were able to accomplish something that you found enjoyable. All right. So on to today's activities and assignments. It's entitled The United Nations and the Declaration of Human Rights. But before we get into that, some important announcements. The first is make sure to read over the email that Ms. Bingert sent that has the new way in which you'll be taking attendance for all of your classes. So be sure to read it over, complete the form. Hopefully, it makes it a lot easier for you. The second thing is I want to direct your attention to this form here. Uh, this form is about 5 simple questions, and its goal is to help me make this online learning a bit more productive and efficient for you, and also specifically these videos. All right. Uh, Next is I want to make you aware that on April 3rd, we'll be doing a video discussion to wrap up this unit. As we get closer to the date, I'll have more information, but I did want you to make that you all aware of that now so that you could plan accordingly. All right, so on to today's activity. So we'll open it up here, and it starts with do now as if we were in the classroom, and it's what are human rights? You record your thoughts here. It doesn't need to be complete sentences, bulleted phrases works. And then on to the second page, we have a short little paragraph here to read about the United Nations, and there are 5 questions. These questions are pretty straightforward, although question 3, this term preceded, what that means is before. So which organizations preceded the United Nations, or which organizations existed before the United Nations? And using your knowledge, why was this organization dismantled? So the answer is not up here, but we can figure out based on what we've learned in class before why that other organization no longer exists. All right, on to the third page here. You're going to watch this video. It's a little over 4.5 minutes long, and then you'll answer uh, questions here. And now for question 8, it asks you to stop the video 2:33. And then what the question really focuses on is making a prediction here. So after you stop it at 2:33, you make the prediction, and then you'll picked up the video. Here are question 9 is to fill in the blanks here, and then questions 10 and 11. All right. As always, if you have any questions, please email me. Otherwise, I will see you on the email, I guess. Take care and have a good day.